What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Raul back at it again with the videos. We're gonna be working on the RS6 once again. I'm here with my friend Eduardo. You guys have never met him before. Introduce yourself, man.
What's up, guys? It's Eddie, one of the closest friends of Raul's. We're gonna work on his car today. Let's get it done.
All right, so today we're gonna be replacing this belt, the timing belt, tensioner belt, whatever you want to call it. This rubber belt, it looks pretty worn out, and I don't want to risk it like ripping in the middle of, like, I don't know. I don't want to be stranded because of this, like breaking or whatever. So I'm gonna switch it out today. I've never really replaced the belt before, so we're gonna start off by moving this power string out of the way. You just pull it off like this out of the little bracket. Just move it out of the way so you have more clearance. And another thing you want to do is just take off the tire. The belt's gonna be exposed down there as well, so you might want to take out the belt. It's just me replacing it. I'm taking it out. So you're gonna see the belt right here. It's gonna be exposed. You might have like a splash guard or whatever. It might be in the way, but I don't have it. And yeah, take it out. How you open it?
The sides.
Oh, damn, fool.
Home Depot, man.
All right, so you're gonna need a 14 mil wrench or socket, whichever. I don't know if you could fit a socket. A socket's too big to fit there. You barely have any space. So you're gonna get your wrench, 14 mil, and go to this pulley right here. This is the tensioner right here. I'm just gonna use 2 wrenches to do this. You want to put it onto this pulley bolt right here, and get your other wrench. Get whatever. Just I'm just gonna do this. I mean, I have no other choice. This is the only way I could do it at the moment. So you're gonna pull it back, and it should loosen this, and you should just pull it out.
Keep holding it.
Oh, there you go. There. Damn. This shit look ugly.
Yeah, bro. Use that shit as a hula hoop, man.
Huh?
It's a hula hoop, man.
As a what? Oh, hula hoop. How to go with my boys Continental, you already know. Hit them up for some tires.
Shout out to them.
So, if you guys want to use this diagram, it's not the best diagram, but I mean, it helped me. You can draw your own. Just make sure what pulleys the belt went through. I mean, it goes through all of them, but exactly which direction did it go through. But yeah, belt's on now. Made in Mexico, you already know. But yeah, let's start it up, see if it starts. Hopefully my car doesn't blow up, but get it.
Gotta put this back.
There you go, yeah. Bro, it really brings out the engine, bro. Like,
Oh, man.
looks nice.
It does, just like you.
So first startup, see if it starts. I'm nervous.
Looks good, man. Looks straight. Hey, hold that way. Yeah, man, look at this shit clean.
One thing you want to look out for when you're installing the belt, you want to make sure it's not making any squeaking noises, and if it is, it's probably because it's not fully on in a pulley. It's probably you put it on incorrectly. You want to go back and, like, you know, straighten it up a bit. But that's pretty much it.
Easy job, man. Doesn't take that
yeah,
long.
dude. I mean, it's pretty easy taking off the belt, but when you put it back on, it's like, I don't know, it's kind of hard. Kind of took time on that. We didn't really record on that, but you know, it's a pretty easy fix.
You can do it at home with easy common hand tools that we got over here.
Yeah. Easy common hand tools. I don't know if you guys want to keep your old one. It's I don't know, just keep it in your car just in case for whatever reason this one goes out. You have an extra one to put on just for you to get home or wherever you need to go. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one. It's pretty worn out. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, it's just an option for you guys. now we're just gonna wash the car real quick. I mean, we got nothing else to do. That was basic install. We're just gonna wash the car, and my homie Eduardo's gonna see if he can get some flicks for you guys. Alright, you guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. That's going to be it. Just in case we don't do anything else, I'm just going to end the video right here. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hope this tutorial helped you out a bit, you know, installing the belt or whatever. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.